But right now the trend is pretty heavy. If we look at the volume of people searching for, and this is as an example, Dallas towing, right? Even if you're in other cities, it doesn't matter, right? But specifically Dallas, it's not. We're not talking about Richardson, any of the suburbs, just Dallas towing. This is what people are searching for on a monthly basis. 1,000 clicks. So 1,000 people are searching for Dallas towing every single month. Now imagine if you did some SEO, right? Some search engine optimization, which means enhancing, adding value to your website so that you can rank #1 or rank on the first page on Google for Dallas towing, right? About 30 to 40% of those clicks go to it's about 50 to 80% of the clicks go to the first page, and about 20 to 30% of all the clicks go to the #1 result on that first page. So that means if you were to rank #1, right, you would be getting about 200 to 300 clicks to your website just from people searching for Dallas towing. Can you imagine what that would do for your business? That would be tremendous, right? You'll be getting calls every single day. You know, if we have 30 days and you're getting 200 to 300 calls specifically for Dallas towing and you're in Dallas, that's 4 clicks a day, right? Or just about maybe 5 or 6 clicks a day, calls a day. That's a lot of traffic. Remember, you would be ranking on Google, and when you rank on Google on that first page, your phone number shows up. People will be directly calling you. You'll be showing up on the map. People will be directly calling you, asking for information, asking for your help. Or they'll click on your website and go to the chat bot and schedule an appointment or get in contact with you, right? It's tremendous value. Now, it is about 35% keyword difficulty, which means it will take a little bit longer than 3 to 4 months to rank for this. It's a competitive keyword, but as long as you have good content, maybe you're making some videos, or you're writing some content. Typically, this shouldn't be too hard to rank for. Now, the thing that I love about this keyword, Dallas towing, it's a commercial intent keyword. And that means people who search for this are ready to buy. They have their credit card. They're in an emergency. They need their car to get fixed. They get to an auto repair shop. They have to use their car to go to work, take their kids to school, whatever the issue is, right? But it's a commercial intent. Now, before I go any further, I don't believe I introduced myself. My name is Lupe. I own AutoShopMarketing.io. I've been in the automotive industry my entire life. My family, we run an auto repair shop in Dallas, and we've been there for as long as I can remember, right? And it's always busy. And we work with multiple towing companies. I mean, you might have worked with us in the past. You might have brought cars to our shop before. And so I've been in the industry for a while before I moved into marketing. My last marketing company, I sold it. I grew it to a point, and I sold it. We worked mostly with auto repair companies. And now I have AutoShopMarketing.io as a program specific for towing companies, repair shops, transmission, engine shops, tire shops, collision, and all that good stuff. Now, I want to show you one more thing before I wrap up this video. Here, we can see that there are 227 different towing-related Dallas keywords, right, in total, right? So if you took all the different kind of words that people are searching for when combining Dallas and towing, there's about 227. That number, the total volume, adds up to about 60,000. Right, so really, you know, Dallas, a city of 2 to 4 million, there's about 60,000 people searching for towing services every single month in this metroplex. So think about it like that. Now, imagine if you ranked for 20 or 30 of these keywords, you wouldn't just be getting 200 to 300 visitors like this. You'd be getting 1,000, 2,000 visitors to your website. People ready to buy, or they got questions for you, right? Now, here, some of these questions aren't that relevant as I'm seeing, but I can go through our questions. This is a tool we use to look at data, and we use multiple tools, not just this one. I can see all the different questions that people are asking for in relation to Dallas and towing. And we can start building these questions on your website, answering the questions, right? When you go to Google, you ask questions, the website that best explains the question, answers it, shows up on the first page. We can do that for you, right? And you can start ranking like that. Answering the questions of people that are in the DFW area, or whatever area you're in, we can do the same thing. It doesn't matter. This concept, you can be in Miami, New York, California, it doesn't matter. It's the same game, right? Depending on where you are, we look at the local SEO, we look at the local traffic, and we target that. Now, before I wrap up this video, I do want to show you the cost per click. It's only $3.28. We might be able to get that even lower. That is super cheap. If you're a doctor, like a dentist, HVAC, clicks are $30 to $40, right, each. Now, the average job, sorry about that, the average job is about, what, you're making $250, maybe $400, depending on the location, the type of towing that you got to do. But on average, it's like $250 to $300, right? Not including gas, expenses, labor. So let's think about it like this. Those clicks, they're on Google. Those are people that are ready to buy. They're warm leads. They're not on social media, right? Social media leads, I don't like them. They're distracted. They're looking at other things. But if you're on Google and you see an ad and you click on it, most likely you're going to buy. So our conversion, based on our analysis, every 4 to 5 clicks should be a good conversion, right? Every 4 to 5 clicks should convert into a customer. We have tools as well that we can provide for you for free. It blocks out spam. It blocks out like spam, robots, and competitors from clicking on your ad, so you don't get charged for any of that. This way, you get more clicks from warm leads that are actually looking for your services. Now, if you're spending $20 to acquire a customer, let's say on the high end, and you're making $250 to $300 on that job, that's what? That's about a 10 to 15x return on your investment. That's huge. If you're in e-commerce, you'll be lucky to do 3 to 5x. They jump when they do 5x ROI. So this is a good opportunity. I just wanted to reach out to you and show it. We are a performance company. We don't get paid when we run marketing campaigns unless we deliver leads. We charge a very small fee for every lead we deliver, right? So we don't charge a big retainer. We don't do $1,000, $5,000, $3,000 a month retainer. We believe it's fair to only charge when you get a lead delivered to your business. Now, I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this video. Thank you for watching. Again, I would love to get on a 15-minute phone call with you so we can go over your business and how we can deliver more customers for your towing company. So thank you, and I do hope I hear back from you soon.